Welcome to our tutorial on TypeScript generics. Generics allow us to create reusable components with a variety of types while maintaining type safety. Let's start with a simple example. We have a function named identity that returns whatever is passed into it. By using a generic type t, this function can work with any data type, maintaining the same type for input and output. This flexibility without losing type information is the essence of generics in TypeScript. In this segment, we delve into the basics of TypeScript generics. Look at this generic interface example. Here, generic identity fn is an interface with a generic type t. The function identity matches the structure of this generic interface. By specifying number as the type when implementing myIdentity, we've created a function that takes a number and returns a number, demonstrating the basic use of generic types. Moving on to more advanced aspects, let's talk about constraints in generics. Constraints allow you to limit the types that can be used with generics. In this example, logging identity only accepts arguments that have a length property because of the constraint t extends lengthwise. This adds an additional level of type safety to generic functions. Let's apply generics to a real-world scenario. Imagine you're handling API responses. Using generics, you can create a flexible API response handler. This example demonstrates a function, handleResponse, that can process responses with various payload types while maintaining type safety and structure throughout. Generics are powerful but can lead to overcomplication. This example shows an overly complex generic function and its simplified version. The key is to use generics to enhance clarity and maintainability, not to add unnecessary complexity. A critical aspect of using generics is documentation. As shown here, well-documented code helps others understand the purpose and usage of your generic functions or types. Always document your generics clearly, especially in shared codebases. As we conclude, remember that TypeScript comes with built-in generic types, like partial, which can make working with objects more flexible. Here, partial less than user greater than makes all properties of user optional. Explore TypeScript's standard library for more such utilities. And don't forget to practice and explore further resources to deepen your understanding of generics. In this interactive segment, let's address a question about using generics with arrays. Here's how you can create a function that logs all items of a generic array. This approach demonstrates the versatility of generics in handling arrays of any type.